Good morning, everyone. It is early.
It is.
I think we did okay in trying to adjust for time change. But we're just walking about. We're heading towards the shrine. And yeah, it's early, 6:30. Did I say that already? And it is very early. As you can see, there's nobody at this station. It's like 7 in the morning.
We've been rocking all night.
Anyways, so Stewart just got a coffee and he's really impressed. Tell them about it.
It's not so much this, it's just the attention to detail that I really like. So if you can look, I don't know, can you pan on this? The mouth opening has a little sticker over it so that it keeps the coffee hot and hygienic. We like.
Alright, we found our first 7-Eleven. We got some snacks. I got this thing. I really want to try a curry pan, but I don't know what it is. Stuart got some stuff too. He said he'll eat anything that I don't like to eat, right?
Right.
He's my finisher of things, so we'll see how this tastes. So we're just walking to the Meijii shrine and we came across this cemetery. It looks kind of cool. It looks like all those like sticks from, yeah. Really cool. And it's just in the middle of this
residential neighborhood.
Yeah.
Victoria Chan buying her first vending. We're using the vending machine for the first time. And just to give you some background, like this vending machine is literally in the middle of nowhere.
And here's the $1.
Why are you calling it a $1 when it's 100, right?
100, yeah. And I'm gonna try this. So I want something fruity and it's cold, but they also have hot stuff here too. So I'm gonna press. So this is what I got.
Super fruits!
And you can see it's so clean. Like, usually it's all gunky, but let's try it.
Is this one I'm gonna be finishing?
No, at first I thought it was gonna be really sour, but it's not bad. You try it.
Oh, super fruit. See. Yeah, it tastes like fruit punch kind of, but with carbonation.
Yeah, not bad.
It's okay.
Alright, we made it to the Meijii shrine. It took a bit of finding, but we're here.
Left hand, right hand, left hand, mouth, spit, left hand, Hey.
So we just finished at the shrine, and the Meijii shrine is right by Harajuku, so that's where we're going now. And I think just down the street a little bit is where the entrance of that busy street is, so yeah, it's cool. So there's Harajuku station, and this is the famous street in Harajuku, Takeshita Street. It's not too busy because it's still really early in the morning, which is nice.